Welcome to part 2 of the crazy candy taste test, and we just got done eating a super spicy gummy pepper. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. It was uploaded right before this video. Okay, so now we have powdered pop. I think I saw. Okay, we have these. So we have sour soda pop.
Ooh, sour.
They're all sour, but it's like
different flavors.
Different flavors.
I'm not excited about the green.
I guess this one's lemon, this one's green apple, this one's strawberry, and this one's maybe root beer. Are you ready?
Oh no!
Let's do the lemon first.
Ew.
Get a little bit in your hand. Here. No, just get.
I think that's just straight up sour stuff.
Citric acid?
Yeah. Don't give me too much.
Okay.
He gave me a lot.
We got like less than a teaspoon each.
It smells horrid.
Okay. Here we go.
It smells horrid. I just limed that word. No, I didn't.
Okay. Here
Three.
we go.
Oh.
3, 2, 1.
That's gross.
I actually kind of like it. It is sour though.
No, it isn't. Just gross. Sorry
So
about
we're done with that one.
faces. I'm just really.
Now it's time for the green one.
Has a little bit of. The green one looks.
Okay.
Not so bad. Okay, let's go. 3.
Wait.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
That one's good.
That one's sour. More sour. But it is pretty good.
I like that one.
Now it's time. Now it's time for the pink one.
Oh, do this one.
No, I'm gonna do the pink one.
That one looks. Oh, what if it tastes like bubblegum sour?
It might be bubblegum.
Or strawberry. Bubblegum or strawberry. Or watermelon.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
That's not bad.
Pretty good. Not sure if it's bubblegum. No, it's not bubblegum. No, it's cherry.
It is cherry.
Oh yeah, it says cherry.
Yeah.
And this one says cola. This one's cola. Okay.
That one looks.
It's
like...
cola. It's just like the gummy that we did in the last video. If you haven't checked it out, go look at it. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's more sour.
It's actually pretty good. Okay.
I just gave my dad something.
Okay. Now, that was part 2. Now we're gonna do part 3, which is these. Bum, bum, bum.
And I think
Check it
I
out in
saw
the
a
next
movie.
video.